In today's globalized world and bleak economic picture, China remains open for business. With its booming consumerism consisting of 1.4 billion people and urbanization rates continuing to expand the middle class, China is unstoppable. Want to jumpstart next year's profit and give your company that extra competitive edge? China is the answer. Seize the Chinese market and make it work for you. Come to China's thriving multicultural metropolis, Shanghai. With centuries of trading experience, Shanghai possesses the necessary infrastructure for an ideal location to begin doing business in China. Home to over 20 million people and thousands of foreign enterprises, Shanghai is the epitome of a flourishing trade and business center, serving as the largest base of China's industrial, technological, commercial, and financial center in China. Shanghai also reaps the benefits of the newly established economic free trade zone. Moreover, the geographic proximity to Yangshan Port, the largest deep water port in the world, and 2 international airports make Shanghai the optimal entry point to reach the 130 million affluent consumers in the eastern region of China, and a perfect gateway to the 1.4 billion consumers in China. Entering Shanghai means unfettered access to China's economic powerhouse. Although crossing the ocean is simple enough, how can Californian businesses hit the ground running? For those companies not having their own setup in China, what can be done to ensure success? The answer is simple: the California Center in Shanghai, a storefront enabling Chinese buyers to see, touch, and learn about your products, goods, and services. The California Center will also consist of a team of experts to represent Californian business interests in Shanghai and throughout Greater China. The California Center storefront and expert team will be the vehicle through which medium to small-sized Californian businesses can launch products in China and compete on the same field as large companies. As a member of the California Center, the team of experts will help your company to navigate the China side of all business dealings, including product display, logistics, marketing, trade, investment, and legal services. It will also provide members with a platform assisted by knowledgeable personnel on how to develop your business strategies and market your products for long-term success. Through an alliance with the California Center of Shanghai, your company can easily expand its presence and gain a competitive edge in the China market. Come grow your business in China on your own terms with the California Center.